day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want.
So of course this.
Your first time in a Kmart car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. Wait.
Coba. Hey, ada telurnya.
Actually your turn. I did the unboxing now.
Honestly, never cooked one here before. Mbak, bantuin.
Lainnya dari sini kak.
Oh, okay. First, water first. Oh, gitu aja dia.
Nah, cepet belajar.
Yang mana mbak? Ini.
Iya.
I don't wanna do it.
Well, so far I can do it. No worries. Pouring water in a pot, I can do it. Ah, panas. Reminds me about something. Coba smell it.
Carbonara.
Kayak bubuk susu.
No, it's carbonara. Carbonara dari apa? Susu, right?
Egg, susu,
Yeah.
cream.
Hey. You're so passionate doing it. You're only cooking ramen, baby.
Jadi lucu sih take a picture with this. Gimana ya? Have a good angle kayak.
Can we just eat?
Ya, makan. We came here to eat. Nah, biar nggak biar.
Private landing.
Ah, get them to the mending.
Oh my god, I forgot about it. Oke, kita lagi visit, lihat dulu nih progresnya. Dan ini udah lumayan cepet ya progresnya, padahal baru kayak beberapa hari yang lalu bikinnya. Ini belum selesai, nanti bakal ada sekatnya gitu. Terus juga ini kaca, jadi bisa jadi salah satu pojok di mana kalian bisa selfie. It's good. It's going really great, the progress. Thanks to Amata.
Yang ini kan fix gitu. Cuman sekarang ngedesainnya sampai siang balok kita ke itu.
And we're planning to
Kira itu.
open a shisha bar there.
Kakaknya pengen ada kayak di sini ada sink dan juga buat storage penyimpanan.
Pakai Amarta lagi.
Ini ada
Current situation di Awkarin ya. Jadi ini bootnya kan lagi direnov. Tuh. Bentar lagi. Jadi buat yang mau buka puasa bisa banget langsung datang, langsung makan, dan lebih enak lagi karena pastinya masih panas-panas, udah bisa langsung dimakan. Tampilan depannya ini udah jadi, tinggal luarnya lagi agak di cat sama di desain, tambahin logo di tengahnya. Dan ini hasilnya oke banget, rapi semuanya. Bentar kita kasih lihat agak dari jauh. Pokoknya persis di sebelahnya bakmi milenial. Nah, nice.